Have you noticed that the workouts that used to help you lose weight just don't seem to work anymore after 40? You're doing the cardio. You're trying to eat well, but your body feels softer, slower, and more resistant to change. This can feel confusing and even discouraging. But here's the truth. You're not imagining it, and you're not doing anything wrong. After 40, your body simply begins to respond differently to exercise. One of the biggest physiological changes women experience in midlife is a gradual loss of muscle mass. This process, sometimes called age-related muscle decline, can begin as early as your late 30s and becomes more noticeable in your 40s and beyond. Muscle plays a major role in metabolism. The more muscle you have, the more efficiently your body uses energy, even at rest. As muscle decreases, metabolism can slow, energy levels may fluctuate more, recovery can take longer. Many women respond by increasing cardio in an effort to burn more calories, but excessive cardio without enough strength training can actually make fatigue worse, increase stress load, and make it harder to maintain muscle. So what used to work in your 20s or 30s may no longer deliver the same results. This isn't a lack of discipline, it's a shift in physiology. Strength training becomes one of the most important tools for supporting metabolism, maintaining muscle, and improving overall body composition in midlife. You don't need long workouts or heavy lifting. Short, consistent strength sessions can be extremely effective. Even bodyweight movements or light resistance training can help your body stay strong and responsive. Cardio still has benefits for heart health, mood, and mobility, but relying on it as your primary fat loss strategy after 40 often leads to frustration. Instead, think of cardio as a supportive tool, not the foundation. Walking, gentle conditioning, and balanced movement tend to be more sustainable and supportive for long-term energy. After 40, nutrition and recovery matter more than ever. Adequate protein intake helps maintain muscle. Quality sleep supports metabolism and hormonal balance. Stress management supports overall energy regulation. When your body feels supported, it responds much more positively to exercise. Fitness in midlife is not about pushing harder, it's about training smarter. You're not starting over, you're evolving your approach. And when you align your habits with what your body actually needs now, progress becomes more sustainable and often more enjoyable. If you want a simple and realistic way to begin rebuilding strength and supporting your metabolism in just 15 minutes a day, you can download my free Hormone Smart Strength Reset using the link below. It's designed specifically for women over 40 who want to feel stronger, more energized, and more confident in their bodies. Start small. Stay consistent. Your body will respond.